The field of an electric dipole. I. 4 points on the axis. Let the point P be at distance r from the center of the dipole on the side of the charge Q, as shown in Fig. Then, where P cap is the unit vector along the dipole axis, from Q to Q. Also, the total field at P is. It can be written as for r very greater than A. As 2qa equals P equals electric dipole moment, so this is the final expression of electric field due to an electric dipole on axial point. 4 points on the equatorial plane. The magnitudes of the electric fields due to the two charges plus Q and Q are given by are equal. The directions of E plus Q and E, Q are as shown in figure. Clearly, the components normal to the dipole axis cancel away. The components along the dipole axis add up. The total electric field is opposite to P. We have at large distance, r very greater than A, this reduced to as 2qa equals P equals electric dipole moment, so this is the final expression of electric field due to an electric dipole on equatorial point.